Hi everyone, how are you? Happy Friday. This is Miss Palomino from Highlandtown Elementary Middle School, number 237. It's Middle School ESOL, and today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. I hope everyone is well. Let's get started. All right, so yesterday was Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. And tomorrow will be Saturday, May 16th, 2020. The weather in Baltimore. Today, the high temperature will be 82 degrees. The low temperature will be 64 degrees, and it will be mostly sunny. And just to remind you, schools are closed for the academic year. Schools are closed for the academic year. Las escuelas están cerradas por todo el año escolar. El año escolar es septiembre hasta junio, September to June. Entonces, no vamos a regresar a la escuela este año escolar, tal vez el año escolar que viene, pero tenemos que esperar para lo que dice el gobierno. All right, so for this activity, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. A piece of paper and a pencil. We're going to do another dictation. So May 15th, 2020, dictation, 1, 2, 3. Voy a deletrear 3 palabras y vas a escribir lo que escuchas. All right, number 1, H, A, P, P, Y. Number 2, S, A, D. And number 3, A, N, G, R, Y. All right, so number 1, H, A, P, P, Y, happy. Number 2, S, A, D, sad. And number 3, whoop, A, N, G, R, Y, angry. All right, so happy, feliz, sad, triste, angry, enojado. Happy, happy, sad, sad, angry, angry. And our objective today is I can describe what I do when I am happy, sad, and angry using a graphic organizer. I can describe what I do when I am happy, sad, and angry using a graphic organizer. Yo puedo describir lo que hago cuando estoy feliz, cuando estoy triste y cuando estoy enojado utilizando un graphic organizer. So we are going to listen, we are going to speak, we are going to read, we are going to write, y al final tienen dos opciones. We are going to text or email a photo of our work to Ms. Palomino, or we are going to turn in our work on Google Classroom. Hay un documento en Google Classroom donde pueden escribir las respuestas y pueden entregar este documento para la tarea. All right. Y la tarea debe parecer algo así. So you're going to have tres listas. When I am happy, I. Cuando estoy feliz, yo. Y quiero saber 6 cosas que haces cuando estás feliz. When I am sad, I. Cuando estoy triste, yo. Y quiero saber 6 cosas que haces cuando estás triste. And when I am angry, I. Cuando estoy enojado, yo. Quiero saber 6 cosas que haces cuando estás enojado. So when I am happy, I. When I am sad, I. When I am angry, I. Y cada lista debe tener 6 acciones o 6 cosas que haces cuando te sientes happy, sad, angry. All right. So first, watch TV. Watch TV. Watch TV. Watch TV. Watch TV. read, 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 read. Exercise, 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 exercise. Take a shower, take a shower, take a shower, take a shower, take a shower. Listen to music, listen to music, listen to music, listen to music, listen to music. Play video games, play video games, play video games, play video games, play video games. Write, 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 write. Laugh, 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 laugh. Sing, 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 sing. Hug, 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 hug. Dance, 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 dance. Eat, 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 eat. Drink water, drink water, drink water, drink water, drink water. Kick, 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 kick. Sleep, 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 sleep. Talk to a friend, talk to a friend, talk to a friend, talk to a friend, talk to a friend. Smile, 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 smile. Cry, 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 cry. Yell, 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 yell. Fight, 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 fight. Punch, 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 punch. Draw, 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 draw. All right, so we learned 23 words today. Hug, laugh, smile, kick, punch, fight, yell, exercise, cry, draw, talk to a friend, sleep, eat, listen to music, dance, sing, write, play video games, drink water, watch TV, read, take a shower, draw. Y ahora con estas palabras, con estas acciones, ¿cuáles de estas acciones hacen cuando están happy, cuando están sad, cuando están angry? Entonces, por lo menos 6 acciones que haces cuando te sientes happy. 6 acciones, por lo menos 6 acciones que haces cuando te sientes sad. Y 6 acciones que haces cuando te sientes angry. So when I am happy, I smile, I laugh. When I am sad, I cry. When I am angry, I yell or I listen to music. Y quiero saber lo que tú haces cuando te sientes happy, sad or angry. No quiero saber lo que piensas que hacen todo el mundo. Yo quiero saber lo que tú haces cuando te sientes happy, sad or angry. All right, so you can turn in your work on Google Classroom. Pueden entregar la tarea por Google Classroom con el documento que está en Google Classroom y puede escribir las respuestas allá. Or you can take a photo of your work and send the photo to Miss Palomino by email or by WhatsApp. Es lo que prefieres. All right. And if you have questions or want to talk, you can call or text Miss Palomino from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I will talk to you next week. All right. Have a good day. Bye.